What's up guys, and welcome back to another Pecha Kucha in the pub. And this is the first one we are showing you guys here in London. So this is essentially our headquarters for the Pecha Kucha. We've been using the Never Forever basement for the last year. This is actually our 5th episode here, our 7th episode in total. And we're just going to show you around a little bit of inside this Pecha Kucha. This episode is kind of special because it's a collaboration between ATN obviously, and also Facet Technologies. These are the two companies that I'm working with right now, and we're theming this one on the future of housing. And so we're gathering architects, developers, and tech companies like us to talk about the future of housing, modern methods of construction, sustainable building, all this good stuff. And so this one should be an interesting one, and we're going to show you around a little bit inside. Thank you guys for coming to check out this episode. If you want to join these in London, the tickets are completely free. Just check us out on our Instagram and website, and make sure to join us on the next one, which should be in December, and it should be a little Christmas celebration as well. So check that out, and hopefully we'll see you here one day.